How to make a balloon flower or even a whole bouquet. Let's get started. Inflate a 260 modeling balloon, but leave a small uninflated tip at the end. After tying it, gently squeeze the balloon a few times to soften it a little. Now it's time to make the petals of your flower. Start by making the first loop. It shouldn't be too big. I usually use about 3 inches of the balloon for each petal. Once it's twisted, use the balloon's end to secure it. Just pull the tip of the balloon through the loop. Now make 5 more petals just like the first one. Try to keep them all the same size, but don't worry if it's not perfect the first time. Practice makes perfect. Once the flower petals are ready, inflate a green 260 balloon. This will be the stem. Tie the balloon, squeeze it, and then push the knot inside the balloon using your index finger. With your other hand, grab the knot from the outside and twist the balloon. You've now created the center of your balloon flower. Now insert the twisted part of the green balloon between the petals and arrange them nicely. Your balloon flower is ready. Once you know how to make one balloon flower, nothing stops you from creating a whole bouquet. You can even place it in a pretty balloon pot and decorate it with a balloon bow. I'll add the link to the balloon pot and bow tutorial in the description below this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I promise you'll learn many more fun balloon tricks here.